Hi guys, welcome back to It's Our Lives. Today we are at a car wash. This car wash is going to be very fun and very dirty. So guys, please like this video. We tried our best to make it nice for you. And have fun with us to clean up this car because it's very messy.
Summer nights, flashing lights. When the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh. Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh.
Take it how you want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beat slam, not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, says she from Atlanta.
Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, way oh. Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my
Let me take out the carpets. Look how dirty these things are. They really do need to get washed. So we're going to be taking them all out after that. We're going to be washing them. So now we're going to take some wax. So I'm going to have to ship this to mom. Like that, right? That's shipping wax. $3 in. We're going to be
No, shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song, feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibes. I'm feeling so free and alive when I'm outside. And if you want to rewind, it's the summertime.
Guys, now my mom wants to go take out the car. Mom is inside the car to go dry it up. Look at it, guys. Look at my mommy. She getting out. Yeah. Guys, do not laugh at our car. I know it's dirty. My mom is the one that makes it the most dirtiest. The shoes, because of Jason taking off his shoes up there, hides them. There's sand and everything, so we need to vacuum clean it. And Jason, look guys, look at what I bought. Even this. So like when we're just at the back, I just throw things on the floor like this real quick. So the place is dirty. We need to take out everything. There's Jason's diapers. I don't know what they're doing in here. Jason's pants and nail polish. Yes, it is yours, Jason. So, we need to clean this car, and there's like a whole bunch of tornado that just came in here.
Summer nights, flashing lights, when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer makes me feel
So now the prices are out, it's empty, dusty and all that. So now that we're back to clean it. Wow.
Take it how you want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beats, I am not a human being. Ballin' like a ring.
Mom is now cleaning, she just wiped it.
Rock with it, got coke green. Boom, back, boom.
My
in the
other
trap. When
car
trap meets house, get a
It's
trap house.
clean. Sheesh! This is actually a very good picture, wasn't it? What is it? Car is... Okay, now we tried. You know, the dirt doesn't much want to come out. We can more... How much stuff we have in the front seats. So this part is good. Right now it's clean. Look at it. It's shiny, clean. Sheesh. That's this part to be fixed.
out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
Now we are done. Finally, all that time. They eat them. So, let's go home now. This is that part. The car is now clean and tried. It was a mess. And see you guys tomorrow or maybe another day. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please, please, guys. Please give us a lot of subscribers. We love you guys. Mwah.
Not a human being, ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, said she from Atlanta.